Hey child, and welcome back to my channel. And welcome to my house. Well, right now I'm in the room that y'all used to seeing me in, but just hang on, we finna get into it. So real quick intro, honey, I have been in this place almost a year and I made a really foolish decision when I got it. Number one, I got a bedroom for my baby, not knowing he was gonna end up sleeping with me all the time. And number two, I got a bathroom for my baby, not realizing he was gonna be in my bathroom. Honey, he's always in my space. And because he's never in his bathroom, I never did anything to it. Exhibit A. When I say this bathroom has been looking like this for almost a year, just untouched, unbothered, honey, it's just been sitting there. But thanks to my booze at Temu, they like it, girl. I finally went ahead and decorated, and now it went from what you just saw to looking a little something like this. And honey, the beautiful thing about that decor, I did that for less than $300. Just revamped the whole room. And so let me go ahead and give you some little, to handle some business. And then I'm gonna show you exactly what I did and how I was able to, spruce up my home for a budget. So, honey, let me pull out my notes, make sure I don't forget nothing. Got to be professional. If you are not familiar with Temu, let me just say, first of all, that means you did not watch the Super Bowl. And number two, that means you have not been on YouTube, because number three, they are everywhere. But Temu is basically a marketplace. Think i.e. like Amazon, where it's just like Amazon is the marketplace, but then they have different sellers that have different things to offer. So you can get clothes, shoes, makeup, baby stuff, home stuff. And in this video, we're gonna focus on the home stuff. But basically, one big shopping mall with a bunch of retailers, you can come and get stuff, and they have it for really affordable prices. They have an app available where you can see like different discounts and even exclusive like coupon codes and stuff like that that's exclusive to the app. So go ahead and download the thing, save you some coins. And as far as the businesses to move, in addition to the affordable prices, they give you an estimated shipping time. And I will say, if it's a little behind, they will go ahead and give you a credit. They don't mind doing a return. So it's free returns up to 90 days, free shipping. Basically, they offer some really good stuff for a really low price. So basically, for this particular video, they have partnered with me basically with just like, Faith, please let these people know that number one, we are not a scam. Number two, our stuff is legit. So that is what I'm here to show you. In this video, I will show you how I revamped my bathroom using all products from Temu. And they've also offered a deal for my supporters. Click the link in my description box, go ahead and download the app and use code JOIN2999 and be able to get 50% off for new users. Now let's go ahead and get into the stuff. Now I will say, I am going to compare the items that I'm showing you kind of to Amazon, so you can see what the price difference is and kind of give you an incentive to shop. Speaking of incentive to shop, there is one item that Temu is giving literally for 90% off to those who have watched this video, and it is something that I picked out for a guest. That bathroom, like I said, it used to be my son. Now I'm turning into a guest bathroom, and I wanted my guests to be comfortable when they show up. So I have this Sismo bath set. It has house shoes, massage roller, different things like that, just to keep my company feeling, real lavish or whatever. But it's actually on sale. So it is usually $16.48. Temu has made it available to those who use the link in my description box for $1. Yes, I said $1.64. Baby, if you don't go snatch up 20 of them so your girls can be real comfortable when y'all have movie night and date night and all that other stuff, y'all have a good time. That was really very extra, but it's an extra discount, so it has gonna hit service to you. So that is the first item that I have. Let's get into the rest of what I have done to spruce up this bathroom. So the first thing I got, household storage baskets. I got them in coffee, and it's almost kind of like this rope kind of woven fabric. I would say they're extremely sturdy and well put together, really well sewn, no loose threads or anything like that. I use them, number one, to store my toilet paper above the toilet so people don't have to go digging for it, and then another one for drying towels, because I didn't want paper towels in the bathroom. I have some hand towels available that are on my kitchen, my bathroom counter. I found these baskets to not only be really chic and minimalistic, but it was really good for storage, and it's cute. And honey, let me tell you this, these baskets are $5.68 on Temu. Amazon is hitting you for a 3-piece, it's $29.99. Get your calculator. And yeah, okay. The next piece I got was something that I needed. Now, the apartment, of course, came with a shower head. I mean, it was functional, but it wouldn't give what I needed to give. So I turned into Bobbiana the Builder and I switched that thing on out. So from Temu, I got the high pressure stainless steel rainfall shower head. Now, I will say that it is adjustable. I did get the 10-inch because I wanted big, grand, extra. Really, really easy to put together. So even if you're not really, you know, a construction type chick like I ain't, honey, I don't like to break my nails, but still I was able to put it on. Functions really, really nicely. The water flows out beautifully. It really elevates the shower experience. Like if you don't want to pour it straight down on your head, you can have it tilted, because listen, I'm a black girl with black girl hair. I don't need that thing. You ain't finna hit me in the head. And while this shower head is $15.69 on Temu, honey, Amazon is hitting you for $34.99. Is the math adding up, honey? Now the next item I got, I thought it was so cute because I didn't want a regular smegular bathroom floor set. I wanted something that gave minimalistic but also gave personality. And so this one, I got the chenille bathroom set. It has the one that goes around the toilet, the one that goes in front of the tub, the one that goes in front of the sink. I got it in the color khaki. The reason I loved it is because number one, the color, it really kind of blends into that minimalistic simple feel. Like I wanted my bathroom to be really, really relaxing for those who come. Like say the wild colors for me. I wanted to get a minimalistic, but with the actual fabric, it kind of served personality. It wasn't just like flat and regular. It has a really textured feel, and when you step down on it, honey, when I tell you it is so freaking soft, I was blown away. So that one, when I got it, again, I got it in the color khaki. And while this bathroom set is $18.79 on Temu, for Amazon, honey, they hitting the girls for $26.97. Save you some coins. Next, now for this next thing, I wanted to get kind of like that floating shelf look, and so I got the aluminum alloy wall mounted shower caddy. You don't have to use a drill or anything, honey. It was real just simple, just stick it together. Now be really, really careful because those stickers are very sticky, and so it's really, really sturdy. It has survived multiple really warm showers. I like my showers hot like a lobster, and them things survive. And I wanted to have it in there just so in case my guests came and they didn't have toiletries but they needed some, they had something to take a shower with, and they also have some hair products available. So far it has lasted amazing. It has not had any rust or anything like that. And for these particular wall mounts, it is $6.68, and on Amazon for the exact same thing for a two-piece is $22.99. Boom. So for this next piece, I got it as a laundry basket just for the towels and stuff like that. It was actually much larger than what I anticipated, so I'm actually leaving outside the bathroom door, but I do still have it. Now this is a decorative woven cotton rope basket. It is 20 by 18. It's a one piece. I got it in the color light brown. Honey, it is so beautifully crafted. So listen to me, and I ain't just saying this because it's sponsor. I'm telling you, this basket is beautiful. It is super sturdy. For the price of it, it is $31.49. For me, that's one of the higher price items, but number one, it's woven together beautifully, and number two, I just got it so it could be a statement basket. I don't want to have just like a regular plastic basket with my guests. You know, you got to show out. So that's why I got this one, and I am totally in love with it. Next, you know how when you little and your mama got them fancy towels in the bathroom that she don't want you touching? That is what we're about to give right now. I actually got two different colors because I didn't know which one I wanted to fit into my minimalist thing, but also still give a pop of personality by adding the gold. So I have a gray and a cream set. For this, it is a three-piece towel set. It's one bath towel, two hand towels. So incredibly soft and fluffy. Like you would never think that I got it so affordable. It is so incredible to the touch. $19.98. So again, I got it in gray, and then I also got it in, they label it white, but it's more so cream. So I do have the light gray in my upstairs bathroom, and then I have the white in the downstairs bathroom. So I'm putting both of them to use. And if I decide to interchange them, that's cool as well. I feel like it goes well with the color scheme, with the whole minimalistic thing. I just, listen, it's giving fancy. Now, I knew I wanted some wall art, but I did not know what I wanted. So I got two separate things. So I'm going to show you the first one that I did not go with, and it is this marble art pieces in a three-piece set. It's a canvas piece. I got it in a 16 by 24. It does not come with a frame, so you can easily go ahead and do that. But it is so freaking beautiful. The canvas feels great to the touch. Like the art just is so eye-grabbing. And the wall piece is $7.58. For Amazon, it is $21.96. Okay, so while I'll use that in a different bathroom, the one that I chose for this bathroom, Baby, they bust their head open with this one. This is the geometric shape. It's pretty much like line art for the wall. It came in a 3-piece set. I got it in the 16 by 20. Again, it does not come with a frame, so I did go ahead and run and get one of those. It seriously just like set the wall off to where it's simple enough to where it's like comforting to look at, but it's abstract enough to where it's beautiful art. Okay, and so for the 3-piece, $168 on Temu, Amazon is charging $6.99. So of course, Temu for the win. So that was my Temu experience in sprucing up my bathroom. I felt a lady like a homemaker child. But overall, I love the fact that outside of the one basket that was $30, everything was pretty much $20 or less. Most of it was less than $10, and just using those few little pieces transformed my room, well, my bathroom, into something that looks really, really nice, really, really chic, and you would never know that I did all of that for such a low amount. Even the things that I did not necessarily mention in this video, I will say the wooden tray that you saw my toiletries on my bathroom cabinet, that was from Temu. The plastic containers that contained the floss and the Q-tips, that was from Temu. The flower, like I said, that's in the gold vase, that was from Temu. Like seriously, you can get some really great things. Y'all know I'm always down to do a clothing haul. Another one coming soon. Check them out for the clothing. Like really anything you need, they are the marketplace for you. So if you have any questions, leave them down below. I love y'all, Maki Dada, and I'm out this piece. Make sure you click the link in the description box. Use code JOIN2999. Save you an extra little 50%. Download that app. Yes, and get your life. Go ahead, spruce that house on up. So with that being said, I love y'all. I'll see y'all later. Bye. I'm finna go take me a burning hot shower.